Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to record voice on Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Whether you're looking to get into the podcast game, want to record your music, do some freelance voice work, or create a note voiceover for a product demo, you can rest assured your Mac can handle it. All you have to do is try out the various tools at your disposal and pick the one that brings you the best result while not being too much of a hassle to handle. So how to record audio or your voice on MacBook? It's very simple. So you can record your voice using voice memos on MacBook. So you can just open your Launchpad and you can search for voice memos. You can select on that. You can open your voice memos. So in here, you can record your voice. If you want to record your voice, you can just click on this red button. So now you will start recording your voice. And if you want to stop before you save it, you can review. So now you will start recording your voice. And if you want to replace, maybe you want to replace from this part, you can select on replace and you can start the new one. And after that, after you finish, you can select on done. And in here, you can also uh, edit your voice memos. After you finish, you can just enter the title of your recording. It's very simple, right? So that is how to record your voice on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!